Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Proto Tech Tip. My name's Chris, and today we're jumping back into Protocase Designer to specifically look at the collaborative shared library within Protocase Designer Enterprise and how this feature can significantly speed up your design process. So let's get into it. So traditional CAD software is difficult to translate from design to real parts in your hand because the software doesn't embody manufacturing constraints. Plus, it's not set up for fast quoting. Every part of the design process is slower and your project timelines suffer. That's why we've created professional design software that's directly integrated with our custom manufacturing. Protocase Designer is a simple but powerful CAD design software that's seamlessly integrated with our revolutionary mass custom manufacturing process, eliminating design latencies and making sure that we still build your custom parts and enclosures in a lightning fast 2 to 3 days. Now with Protocase Designer Enterprise, we've taken all of the things that you love about Protocase Designer and added in some exclusive features, and one of those features is the collaborative shared library. Now, collaboration has never been easier. With sharing tools inside the software, your team can effortlessly collaborate across departments by accessing your company's templates for custom enclosures, brackets, and parts, plus shared custom cutouts that can be easily placed on your design. It's all about working smarter as a team while still meeting those critical design deadlines. So let's take a look at this feature by first opening Protocase Designer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that Protocase Designer Enterprise is activated, since this feature is exclusive to that subscription. You're going to want to go to Preferences, and then under the Enterprise tab, you're going to see your activation status and license. Now let's set up our shared library directory so that we can begin collaborating on this project. So you're going to first start by choosing your directories for your templates and cutouts, clicking Browse for each. I've already went ahead and created 2 folders for both, so I'm going to choose those and hit Save. So first up, let me show you how to create a template for yourself and then save it to your shared library for others on your team to use. Start by choosing a template, and for this video, I'm going to pick a simple L bracket to start with. So now that we have the design open, if we click on Save, you will notice as a Protocase Designer Enterprise user, you have 2 options. New Design, which saves your file as a typical PDA file, or a new shared template, which will then save your design as a template in your chosen dimensions and color that will be shared amongst your team. Once you choose OK, you can edit your template information and hit OK. So that's a template saved. What about a cutout? Let's go ahead and edit a face on this L bracket. I will go ahead and create some random square and circle cutouts on this face and then group them together. Now, if I right-click this grouping and select Add to Library, you will notice that you have 2 options if you're an enterprise user. You can add to your personal library, or you can add to your shared library. After you select Shared Library, continue to edit your cut information and click Save. The great thing is, if we need to save this design with these added cutouts as Rev 2, we can do that and then add it to the shared template library. I'll go ahead and do that now. So how does your team utilize these shared templates? When you select New to start a new design project, you will find your shared templates inside the Shared Templates folder at the bottom of the template list. You're going to now see the latest version that we just saved. Now lastly, you can also utilize the Library Manager to organize your shared templates and cutouts so it's easier to collaborate. Once inside the 3D viewer, on the top right, if you click under Library and select Enterprise in the drop-down, there's going to be a couple of important things that we can do here. First thing is that we can create new categories if we want to organize our directory structure a little bit better. I'll create a new category for shared templates called Chris Templates to show the templates that I've created for my team. Next, and this is where Protocase Designer Enterprise can really empower your team, let me create a new category for another member of my team, and I'm going to call this Mic Cutouts, as I have a mechanical engineer in my team who can create custom cutouts in Protocase Designer way better than I can for my design. Now picture this, I'm working away on my next design. While Mike is checking out the latest design revision, he's going to create a custom cutout and save it in the Mic Cutouts folder. Once that's completed, I can then head over on my Library Manager and place this custom cutout onto my design. Now to take advantage of the shared library feature, we've made managing Protocase Designer Enterprise and your subscription a breeze, as it's directly integrated inside your My Account portal. Now, to learn more about the My Account portal and how it streamlines your workflow using Protocase Designer, check out our previous tech tip videos in the description below. So if you have any questions about collaborative shared library features in Protocase Designer Enterprise, just reach out to us at info@protocasedesigner.com. There's lots more that you can do with this feature, and then next time that we focus on Protocase Designer Enterprise shared library, we're going to look at how to create custom cutouts and how to add those to your shared custom library. Now, no matter what version of Protocase Designer works best for you, here's what you can always count on: a seamlessly integrated experience with our fast custom manufacturing, which means that you move from design to manufacturing without any delays or latencies. We'll build what you've designed in Protocase Designer in our lightning fast 2 to 3 days, so be sure to upgrade today to ensure that your next project is powered by Protocase Designer.